So in this video, we are going to discuss four storage classes that are S3 Standard, S3 Intelligent Tiering, S3 Standard Infrequent Access, and S3 One Zone Infrequent Access. S3 Standard. So as the name suggests, this is the standard storage class. If you doesn't choose any of the storage class while uploading the data, then by default, data will be uploaded to S3 Standard. If you look into the different properties, then there is no minimum capacity charges per object, no retrieval fees, no minimum storage duration, along with availability as high as 99.99%. That means if you want to upload any size of data for unknown period of time which can be retrieved regularly, say daily, with high availability, then S3 Standard is the best storage class for you. S3 Standard Infrequent Access. As the name suggests, it is just like the standard storage class, but when you have infrequent access to uploaded data, as it do have minimum capacity charges as 128 KB, availability as 99.9%, minimum storage duration as 30 days, along with the retrieval fees. Now let's discuss S3 Intelligent Tiering. This storage class is actually a bridge between S3 Standard and S3 Standard Infrequent Access. Actually, this is a design for customer who want to optimize storage cost automatically when data access pattern changes. Let's say you upload some data on intelligent tiering and you were accessing the data regularly. But after some time, your access pattern changed and now you are using that data very rarely. In that, according to its usage, S3 intelligent tiering automatically move the data to S3 standard infrequent access to save some storage cost. And that's why it is a bridge between S3 standard and S3 standard infrequent access. S3 one zone infrequent access. The first thing to be noticed here is that with this name we got a clue. That is, it is related to infrequent access, and it is. All of its property are same with S3 infrequent access, except the second clue, that is one zone. And what's that actually means? So when we create an S3 bucket, we choose a region. And as we discussed previously in a video, region have approximately 3 or more availability zone to achieve fault tolerance. So that means that when we upload our data on S3 bucket, its copy is made on 3 availability zones. So here is the second clue, the one zone. That means in this storage class, the data is maintained only in one zone. And that's why its availability zone is mentioned as 1. And design for availability is also lowest as 99.5%. If you're still wondering that what is region and availability zone, then do watch our previous video about this. Along with this, each storage class have similar property, that is availability zone, which is 3. That means each bucket keeps copy of uploaded data on 3 availability zone except one zone in frequent access. The next one is storage type. That means that the data you upload will be treated as object, which we discussed previously. Life cycle transition. That means that if the life cycle transition property is available with this storage type, then the answer is yes. And lastly, design for durability. Just remember that each and every bucket have the durability of 11 nines. That is 99.9 times 9%. I hope after watching this video, you understand what are these storage classes. So thanks for watching this video and see you soon.